Today we're going to discuss about HTML's image tag, links and list. Now let's create a new file. Let's name the file as activity1.html. Make sure to put this HTML extension and then type this symbol and tab in VS Code in order to generate this file. There, change the title to activity1. In this case, I'm going to rename activity1. Now let's open the file. In here, let's reveal in File Explorer and click Activity1. It's going to open. There's nothing in here. Simply Activity1. Now let's first check the image tag. Inside the body tag, you can place a tags. Now let's place an image tag. When you're typing, press Enter. Then it's provide the necessary attributes. There's source attribute and not attribute. Now let's put an image. Let's say cats. Now let's put this cat as the image for this website. Let's download it, put it in our desktop, and then provide the necessary location. So let's go to desktop. In here, the image is there. I'm going to get the location of the image and then provide it. It requires the name of the image as well. Let's take it. Be sure to highlight this as well when copying the file's name, and then put it in here. Now let's see whether the image is shown or not. The image is shown. For the old tag, let's put a cute cat. It will not show. You know, if something happens with the file, say I forgot to provide the file name, so my HTML file doesn't know where the image is located, but it has realized there is something that is missing. You refresh, you see a cute cat is missing from this HTML file. Simple as that. There is another method to put images instead of having all of these location tag. That is by placing the image in the particular HTML files in folder. Let's do it by copy the file. My HTML file is activity1. I'm going to place it in here, paste the image in here. Then it require all of this. Now let's first a /, then find the image name and make sure to delete the / unless the image will not show. Save the file. Let's see, it's shown. You can change the width and change the size of the image, which will be discussed in CSS session. For now, this is enough. But if the image is not very clear, let's assume that image is too large in this, you can simply adjust it by using the style tag. Let's put the name as a height. Provide 100 pixels for height. The width will be automatically adjusted. Yeah, likewise. Now let's check about the anchor tag or link to make links. In order to perform this, you need to have a tag, a closing tag, and an opening tag. Inside the tag, you need reference. Now, for the reference, let's say we want to visit to google.com when the link is clicked. This is Google Scholar. Now, save the file, and inside we'll provide the URL. Let's say Google Scholar. You refresh the activity1 page. Now you can see it says Google Scholar. When we click it, it will go and redirect to Google Scholar. We can use this to interact with other HTML pages. For now, let's use this as an example. You can even make an image a link. Let's first create the link ref. Now let's delete this one and place it inside the anchor tag. in the chars, let's redirect it to let's say catsaving.com. I'm not sure whether there is certain specific site, yeah, animal or welfare organization sites. Yeah, it takes some time to load, and let's put it in the char flag. Save the file. Make sure to save the file, unless the page will not load. Let's go to our activity. Yeah. Now when we click this image, it's going to take to this. Yeah. And let's have a line break tag. Charge a horizontal rule. It's going to divide this. Now let's look at, there are three types of list tags. One is ordered list, unordered list. The other one is descriptive list. First, let's look at unordered list. Type it by UL, then click enter. Inside the UL tag, now let's create a light tag. Now let's say I'm going to list out some food items, pizza. Now let's copy this. Make sure to have close the tags as well. I'm going to make a file list. Lasagna, bacon, ice cream, jelly. And let's save the file, refresh it. Now you can see that's all the list. The other type of list is the unordered list. Now let's make the same list, or as an ordered list, you have to just change the tag to OL for order list. These are the same, this tag, and it's the refresh. Now you can see it's ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The descriptive list is quite different. Say DL. Inside the DL, you can provide the DT as the title. Inside the title, let's say pizza. Now let's provide the DD tag, a description tag. Let's say it's very tasty. Let's provide for another descriptive list, DT ice cream. Description. It's very sweet. Let's see. Yeah, it's like that. Pizza. Under that title, it's going to say it's very tasty. Ice cream. Under it says it's very sweet. Likewise. And now let's change some styles. For the unordered list, you can change style by using, I believe, type. Let's check it. Let's provide circle. By using the type attribute, you can change style. Circle, there are a few types: disc, circle, square, none. Let's provide square. I assumed it because it's a square now. Let's provide none, which means there is no icons, yeah, no thing. And for the disk, we like this. But if you don't provide any type, the default's gonna be the disk as well. Yeah. For the order list, we have different types. I don't believe type will work for this. Let's first see it. Let's provide A. Yeah, it works. There is another type, another way through this, using list style type, using style attribute. For now, let's use the type attribute ABCD. We can use this capital A. Now it's like this. I for Roman numerals, capital I to capitalize the Roman numerals. Likewise. Okay, it's about that. If you have any question, please make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching.